One of the most notable changes is the new update to the dialog element. Chrome 134 introduces a new closedby attribute that gives developers better control over how pop-up dialogs close, whether that's when you press the escape key, click outside the box, or only when you manually choose to close it. This makes the behavior of pop-ups more consistent and customizable, improving how web pages handle user interactions. Another key improvement is the WebLocks API support in shared storage. This is a big deal for developers who work with data that needs to stay consistent across multiple tabs or users. With this update, you can now request locks and perform batch updates safely, preventing data conflicts or overwrites. It might sound technical, but this feature helps websites run more smoothly and reliably behind the scenes. For those working with images and graphics, Chrome 134 now supports a new image smoothing quality option for canvas elements. This allows developers to choose between low, medium, or high image quality when scaling images in web applications, making visuals look cleaner and more refined, especially in design tools, games, or creative apps. Chrome also gives web designers more flexibility with customizable select elements. Thanks to new CSS support, developers can now style drop-down menus more freely using Appearance-Based Select, allowing a consistent and modern look that matches a website's branding. This also comes with parser improvements, which means select menus can now include more complex HTML structures inside them. On the security side, Chrome 134 includes several important updates. There are around 14 vulnerability fixes and an improved password management system. Chrome can now better detect insecure passwords and even help you automatically change them on supported websites. There's also enhanced detection of login forms using on-device machine learning, which improves your online safety while browsing. For Chrome OS users, version 134 adds accessibility improvements such as slow keys, which helps users with limited dexterity by adding a delay before key presses register. It also expands support for isolated web apps, making Chrome OS more secure and reliable, especially in kiosk and enterprise environments. Overall, Chrome 134 continues to make the web safer, faster, and more flexible for both developers and everyday users. If you haven't updated yet, now's the perfect time. You'll automatically receive the update, but you can also check manually by going to About Chrome in your settings to make sure you're running version 134. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech updates, browser features, and web tool comparisons. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments which new Chrome 134 feature you're most excited about.